Hello and welcome to our 37 in 1 sensor kit series. Today we are discussing about our 13th sensor, that is the temperature sensor. The digital thermometer provides 9-bit to 12-bit Celsius temperature measurements and has an alarm function with non-volatile user programmable upper and lower trigger points. The module communicates over a one-wire bus that by definition requires only one data line for communication with a central microprocessor. In addition, the module can derive power directly from the data line, eliminating the need for an external power supply. Each module has a unique 64-bit serial port which allows multiple modules to function on the same one-wire bus. Thus, it is simple to use one microprocessor to control many modules distributed over a large area. Applications that can benefit from this feature includes HVAC environmental control, temperature monitoring system inside buildings, equipment or machinery, and process monitoring and control system. These are some applications of temperature sensor: thermostatic controls, industrial systems, consumer products, thermometers, thermally sensitive systems. Now come on to the connection. In this, the first pin is the negative pin, connect to the Arduino ground pin. The middle one is positive pin, that is connected to the Arduino 5 volt, and the last is the signal pin. The signal in this example connect to Arduino digital port 10. So let's see how you can interface your sensor with the Arduino.